New developments tonight in the death of an inmate at Las Colinas 3 years ago. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Marcella Lee.
And I'm Jesse Cajon in for Carlo Cicchetto. Criminal charges have been brought by the DA's office against a doctor who was on duty when the young woman died. CBS 8's Brian White is in Santee with more on the new charges.
It was here at the Las Colinas Detention Facility in 2019 when Elisa Serna, 24 years old at the time, died while in custody. And now her family is one step closer to getting justice.
That the Sheriff's Department has not only work to do, they have blood on their hands. And we're here to hold people accountable.
The North County Equity and Justice Coalition held a press conference today outside the Sheriff's Department headquarters in Kearney Mesa with Elisa Serna's mother, father, and sister.
I remember she had the most beautiful giggle, the most beautiful smile.
She was just a very smart, kind girl, loved her family very much, loved her daughter.
The district attorney's office announced today that criminal charges have been filed against 57-year-old Friederike Von Lintig, who was a physician on duty in the jail on the day of Serna's death. She was arraigned in court this morning in El Cajon. She's charged with involuntary manslaughter and faces up to 4 years in prison if convicted. Last year, the same charge was brought against a nurse at Las Colinas, Dana Lee Pasqua. Due to the criminal case, the Serna family was given access to view the video of Elisa's death. And they say she was having seizures during the 5 days she was in custody.
She fell, hit her head hard against the wall and hit her head on the ground. A nurse and a deputy came and they just stood over her watching her. They didn't do nothing to help her, to attend to her.
Later in a medical examiner's report, Serna's family learned Elisa had been pregnant at the time of her death. They filed a wrongful death lawsuit against the county in 2020.
I was very angry, upset, because you gotta just be heartless to treat somebody so disgusting like that.
There's been 19 deaths in jail so far this year, passing last year's record number of 18 deaths. Meanwhile, the Serna family is hopeful for justice, not only for them, but for other families experiencing similar tragedies.
We need convictions. We need people to be held responsible for this because they withhold evidence, they lie to the family. It's a lot of cover-up, and I don't think that's right.
The preliminary hearing for Von Lintig is set for March of next year, and the nurse who was originally charged, her preliminary hearing is being postponed until then so the two can coincide. Brian White, CBS 8.